मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। धूम्रनेत्रवधे देवी धर्मकामार्थदायिनी। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। रक्तबीज वधे देवी चण्डमुण्ड विनाशिनी। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
We had a very enriching experience at Kumartuli today, and thank you to Partha sir and the Ahava Communications for bringing us here. It was a very joyful and a very interesting morning today, and I hope we get to do more things like this. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anushka Jain, and today we came to Kumartuli and I had a spectacular experience over here. We saw many artisans and we asked them a couple of questions about their experience and how long they've been working, and we got to know a lot about our city which we have never experienced before, and I'm very grateful to come here today and especially during the pujas. Thank you.
We're at the workshop right now at Kumartuli, which is being conducted by Ahava Communications, and our workshop so far has been really fun. We've got to know a lot of things which we did not know and got to use our cameras in a much better way than we used to use before. And to be honest, a lot of my pictures are turning out much better than I expected, and knowing about composition and how to function all the settings in my camera has been really enlightening for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Satavisha, and this experience is really fun and somewhat enlightening because I'm getting to know so much about this city, like this part of the city exists and how beautiful it is. And with the help of Partha sir and his guidance, we are taking really good pictures, and yeah, it's really fun.
So honestly, this whole experience has been really eye-opening and enlightening. I had never thought that Kolkata packs so much culture, and I've never been to this part of the city, so I was completely unknown to it. But honestly, after I've come here, I feel like there's so much diversity, and I've been seeing people of different religions, different cultures. I'm seeing different countries, and this is really cool. We see different types of restaurants in trams, and it's really cool. The amount of photos which we have taken, it's honestly amazing, the amount of inspiration you find in these areas.
That is very true, and also we always see the brightness of festivals, but we never see these little moments and the backward process of it. And it's really interesting to see how such a wonderful piece is made, because the process, in my opinion, is more wonderful than the outcome, which obviously the outcome is also pretty. But coming here has been so amazing because I've seen things that I did not know happened, like these sculptures and portraits. Is just too beautiful.